guys in here.
Black Beatles in the city, be back immediately to confiscate the money.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Really?
You want to kiss?
No.
No, I don't think so. See ya.
Dude, I couldn't stop laughing. All I hear was yeah.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hello? Hello? Who's there?
Knock again. Knock again. Caden, knock. So? Caden, try and knock. Open the window, boys. It's right above you, bro. She looked at me in the face. Fuck me. Jake, I swear on my life, she's above you, bro. No way. Knock again. Go. Just knock it.
Dude, she was standing at the door the whole time like this.
I know.
Oh, she's going.
No way.
I can hear her through the window.
Fuck it. Other side, other side. Can you stay on that picture?
1, 2, watch out, please.
What are you guys doing? Liam, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm being don't abort. 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 You're coming back into the driving position. What? Wait. We all gotta stay in the front step.
Anyway, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh fuck, I'm gonna fall.
Hello. So what are you guys doing? Hey, get off our property, buddy, or I'll call the cops. Get off the property now. Stay away from this house. Stay away from this house. I'll call the cops.
Mannequin challenge.
You're trespassing. Get out of here. I'll call the cops.
Mannequin challenge.
You're trespassing. Get out of here. You're trespassing. Get off this property, buddy. Off the property, buddy. You're trespassing.
It's a mannequin challenge, though.
Maybe you can deal with the police, buddy.
Why, though? Sorry, sir. It was called a mannequin challenge, so I was just like... Oh, sakes.
Looks like we got some mannequins in here.
That's neat.
Are you just looking for my reaction, or is there something to say here?
Hey, come on.
Okay.
Do you want a kiss? Does your wife want a kiss? Does your wife want a kiss? No, your wife.
You want a kiss?
Yeah, do you want to kiss me?
Can I?
Really? Out of respect. Is that your husband beside you?
Yeah, I don't care.
I think that'd be a little disrespectful if you kissed.
No, I don't care.
You can give me a kiss on the cheek, but I'm not allowed to move.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
I hope your husband didn't mind.
Oh, he doesn't mind.
Whoa!
That's actually pretty good.
I hope your husband didn't mind.
Oh, he doesn't mind.
Sorry, pal. I think I'm stealing your wife. Okay, so I'm doing the humming thing.
It's actually getting cold. No, dude, you're good. As long as you're close to the door.
It doesn't work out.
As long as you're close to the door.
I know, but like, if
They don't answer. Go to the next one. Walk over.
It's actually hard. I actually forget to do it. Ready? God, it's a sketch.
on your steps too.
Wait.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Fuck.
How's your body, daddy? How's your body, daddy? How's your body, daddy? How's your body, daddy? I think I scared him.
Do some weird shit.
Isha.
Start screaming about devils.
Like
Like the devil's inside me and shit.
666. Yeah, I scared him, bro. Sorry, bro. I'm not actually.
Do this one.
Yo. Should I do the hum thing or no?
Ready? Go ahead.
Okay, hold on. Do steps.
1, 2. Behind me.
Okay, boy.
Who are you?
Hi. Okay, boy.
You know you're on a camera? Just letting you guys know.
Hi,
You know you're on a camera? Just letting you guys know.
buddy.
Yeah, Jack, come on. You're on the camera. Just so you know. Okay? It's your call. Your face is on camera and I have police. Okay?
Police here?
No, the camera. You showed the Are you kidding me?
No,
Video.
we're just doing
Hello.
a mannequin challenge. It's nothing like. Never heard of it?
Yeah? But you gotta warn people. You can't just do that. You're
Yeah,
on
but, like,
you're
then-
on video. I'm just saying.
Where is it? Can I at least like
No, you
Get
all
into it?
you all are, because I saw you running. I'm just saying, so
take your garbage?
3, 4, 5.
That's hilarious.
Hello?
Molson, go get them.
Oh shit.
Go get them. Come on,
Molson. Molson. Oh shit. Dude, that's a big dog. Oh shit. Is he friendly? Hello?
I eat dogs like that for breakfast.
Ready?
I'm going to the rock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mikey, stay still.
Hello? Hey. Excuse me.
Yeah?
Did you knock at the door?
Yeah?
Who are you?
Your brother?
Sorry?
Hello?
What are you guys doing?
She sees us, I think.
Hey, what's up?
What is this?
Oh.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is ridiculous.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Hi.
Oh, very funny.
What's wrong?
Hi.
What's doing here?
Go away. What are you guys doing?
Mannequin challenge?
Sorry?
Mannequin challenge?
Really? You look like mannequin.
Really?
Very nice.
So we did it well?
Alex! Can you please come here? We have someone at the door. Like, what is that?
The mannequin
and
challenge?
knocking at the door and waking us up,
It's called the mannequin challenge.
and you find to do that here? Can you call me?
It's a mannequin challenge.
It's like a YouTube trend.
You guys gotta leave.
Just leave, please, before I call police.
Okay, it was nice meeting you.
Very nice meeting you, but don't do that.
Sorry, ma'am. I'll hug you.
And don't knock at the door. Like,
So-
you don't even know what.
Windows or? Reaction, bro.
I can't even get. No, the door's open because you're.
Yo, watch this guy. Oh shit! Oh shit! He's taking a picture of us. He's taking a pic of us. Did you see that, dude? He just took a pic.
Wait, turn on. Yo,
Did you get that? Yo, someone go interview him. Go interview him.
He's hopping in the car. He's hopping in the car.
Dude, no, he's not. Chill.
Oh, fuck.
Chill. Yo, you still filming? You still
He's
filming?
taking a picture of us 100%.
No, did anyone get that picture on film? No.
No.
Fuck.
Already got your plate. Oh, did he?
No, he didn't.
Yeah. I wasn't even out there, so.
Okay. Okay, roll down the window. Okay, make sure you don't see him like filming too. Hey man, I just want to know why you're taking pictures. You can take pictures of my license plate. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, I don't understand why it was. I said I'm sorry. I said it was a YouTube challenge. I was not rude with you. I did not. We have video footage. We did not make fun of anyone. Go ahead, write down my license plate.
You just feel it.
Stop, dude. Come on.
No,
Film it, but
they're already stand talking. Okay, there's a dip now.
it's okay. You guys can take my license plate. I'm willing to cooperate. I just want to know why you're involved. I just want to. Can you roll down your window, Austin?
You're harassing my neighbors.
We weren't harassing. We left
Well,
after
if
she
you're knocking
left.
on their door, then
she
you're
told us to
harassing.
leave, so we left. We were just doing a quick mannequin challenge. It was just a little joke. I didn't think people were gonna take it that seriously. Look, Sam.
We do this for a living.
No, okay. You don't want us. It's okay. Do you want us to stay, or are you gonna call the police? Okay. Do you want us to stay then? Would you like us to stay? See, I have that on film. I was willing to cooperate. It was a quick little joke.